Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be doing some rose infused lip glosses. I will be starting off with the vitamin E oil and coconut oil. If you want your lip glosses to stay clear, these are the oils you will be using. And I will be also using the Get Suckered flavoring oil, and I will be using strawberry daiquiri. I'll be applying 3 drops of the flavoring oil. Like always, I'll be using the polyisobutene, and this is to make your lip gloss more shiny and also to thicken it if it's too runny. The polyisobutene comes in the gel form and also in the liquid form. I rather use the liquid for lip oils and the gel for lip glosses, but you could use either or. Now I am adding my dry rose petals. These are completely harmless and they are from Amazon. These lip glosses are part of my wholesale bundles. If you guys want to purchase, it's beautybyccollection.net, and I will leave the link down below. So I'm just going to be adding the lip gloss tubes to the rack. This rack is also from Amazon and it comes in clutch. If you guys want to purchase it, I will leave the link down below, and I'm just going to be filling the lip gloss tubes on there. I'm going to be wiping off the excess glitter on the tubes, and I'm just going to be placing the stoppers as well as the tops on there. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.